Guru Nation, how's it going? Look, I love answering your guys' question. Today, somebody messaged me on Instagram. Actually, it was a few days ago. I'm just getting back to it today. They work as a clinical research assistant at a research site. It seems like it's a hospital, and it's like the department that deals with sponsors and CROs, but they're at the site level, clinical research assistant. They want to know how can they transition into data management role at a sponsor or CRO level from here. So how do they get to the next phase for them, which is data management role? So two-pronged answer, because I don't know the specifics, but if you currently have EDC responsibilities, meaning you're answering queries, you're entering data, that's a huge plus. If you don't, you need to get into that role at your site. So there's nothing else I can help you with. If you're not in that role, you need to get that experience right now at the site level. Let's assume you have that responsibility. Most clinical research assistants do have query resolution, or at least data entry responsibilities at their site. Couple things you need to do. So you work with a lot of sponsors and CROs at your site. You probably come across CRAs on a daily basis, or at least a weekly basis. Make sure you interact with them. This is going to become a networking response. Make sure you interact with them. Let them know your goals. Also, another thing, this is extremely underrated. There are data managers constantly bombarding you with requests. Feel free to reach out to them on LinkedIn. I wouldn't do it in your email reply because maybe it's unprofessional, and who knows, maybe your employer is reading your emails. But I would find that person on LinkedIn. Most of them have a LinkedIn, and start networking with them there, because that's your private account. Say, hey, you know what, I'm currently working with you on the study. This is my role. I would love to be in your situation. How did you get into that career? How can I get into that career? Not only that person, but network with other people on LinkedIn in a similar position. And just introduce yourself to them. Just like how you reached out to me, reach out to 200 of these people online. You will get the opportunity. Now, make sure you also tweak your CV. If this is a job you really want, make sure you tweak your CV to where it shows and it really highlights and emphasizes every aspect of the data management that you do. Anything that could be remotely related to data management needs to be at the front and center of your resume. It needs to be highlighted. It needs to be emphasized. Because when you start networking, people are going to start saying, send your CV. And you want to make sure you have a good CV that emphasizes your actual responsibilities, but from the perspective, it's all about angles and perspective of a data manager or data manager associate. That's one thing I would do. A salesman answer for me is wait for our clinical data manager university. So we have, through Clinical Research University, we're about to launch a data management course. That's going to help you because you're going to get hands-on experience as well during the internship, taught by real data managers. So that's my salesman answer that I have to throw in there, because I'm a business person, I'm an entrepreneur. But in all honesty, network, tweak your CV, and start interacting with people on LinkedIn in positions that you want to be in. This is really universal advice for anybody who wants to be in one of those roles. It doesn't hurt to also ask your employer, hey, I want more responsibilities on EDC. I'm really interested in EDC. Any other studies you can put me on, let me know. If your responsibilities are only to enter data, but you want responsibilities answering queries, ask them to do that. If your site uses some internal database and you don't have access to it, as far as any data management is concerned, ask for access. Say, hey, I'm really interested in this. Is there any way I can be trained on this, or just do this? So those are some advices I have for you. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. Take care. Keep me posted. Bye-bye.